Given ABCD matrix for a two-port network, derive its S matrix. So the S matrix has to be written in terms of ABCD parameters. So consider the given diagram where there is a two-port network with voltages V1 and V2 and the currents are I1 and I2 and the input impedance is given by Zn and the characteristic impedance is Z0. So in order to find out S11, from the basic definition, we have to terminate port 2 in a matched load and find input reflection coefficient. Also, we know that S11 is equal to input reflection coefficient, which is given by the general formula Zn minus Z0 divided by Zn plus Z0. So, solving this equation, we can write Zn can be written as, from the diagram, this can be written as V1 by I1, and we have the general formula V1 is equal to A into V2 minus B into I2, which is the general ABCD matrix formula, and similarly I1 is equal to C into V2 minus D into I2. From the diagram, we can make out that V2 can be written as equal to minus Z0 into I2. So, from the diagram we can write, from this equation we can write Zn is equal to V1 by I1, which will be equal to A into V2 minus B into I2 divided by C into V2 minus D into I2. So substituting for V2, this equation can be written as minus A into Z0 into I2 minus B into I2 divided by, again substituting for V2, that is minus Z0 into I2, we can write it as minus C Z0 into I2 minus D into I2. So here I2 is common, so we can take it outside. So this can be written as I2 will get cancelled. So the remaining will be minus A into Z0 minus B divided by minus C into Z0 minus D. Now the general equation for S11 is equal to Zn minus Z0 divided by Zn plus Z0. So which can be written as Zn is given as minus A Z0 minus B divided by minus C Z0 minus T minus Z0 divided by minus A Z0 minus B by minus C Z0 minus D plus Z0. So solving this equation and multiplying the denominator with Z0, the equation becomes minus A Z0 minus B plus C Z0 square plus D Z0 divided by minus A Z0 minus B minus C Z0 square minus D Z0. So we can divide the whole equation by Z0. So we will get the equation as minus A minus B, 1 by Z0 is equivalent to Y0 plus C Z0 plus D divided by minus of A plus B Y0 plus C Z0 plus D. So this equation can be, so we can cancel this negative term. So this can be written as A plus B Y0 minus C Z0 minus D divided by A plus B Y0 plus C Z0 plus D where we can write delta is equal to a plus b y naught plus c z naught plus d. So S11 will be equal to a plus b y naught minus c z naught minus d divided by delta. This will be the final equation for S11. Now continuing with the next parameter. So in order to find out the next parameter, that is S21. So in order to find out S21, we can write the equation as Zn is equal to V1 by I1. So V1 is equal to A plus B by Z0 divided by C plus D by Z0. So that is, instead of I2, this is written as V2 by Z0. Minus of. So now here is, so we can write S21 as, S21 can be written as V2 minus divided by V1 plus when V2 plus is equal to 0. Now when you consider the two-port network, as the impedance is equal to characteristic impedance, there will not be any wave reflected back, so that usually V2 minus can be written as, V2 can be written as V2 plus plus V2 minus. So here there will be no wave reflected back, so we can write V2 minus is equal to V2. Also V1 will be equal to V1 plus plus V1 minus. So if we take this V1 plus outside, this equation can be written as into 1 plus V1 minus by V1 plus, which will be equal to V1 plus into 1 plus S11. So now substituting this into this equation, we can write this as V2 by V1 into 1 plus S11. So this will be equal to V2 by A into V2 plus B by Z0 into V2 into 1 plus S11 is written as A plus B Y0 minus C Z0 minus T divided by A plus B Y0 plus C Z0 plus D. So this can be written as 1 by A plus B by Z0 into, here once you cross multiply this, some of the terms will get cancelled, and what is remaining will be 2A plus 2B into Y0, rest all will get cancelled, divided by A plus B Y0 plus C Z0 plus T, which we have denoted it as delta. So final equation we can write this as 2 divided by delta. Now continuing with this, next term parameter what we have to find out is, first we will find out S22. So S22 can be written as V2 minus divided by V2 plus when V1 plus is equal to 0. So now in order to write this, we have to consider Z out. So Z out will be equal to V2 by I2 equal to D plus B by Z0 divided by C plus A by Z0. Now S22 is given by the general formula because it is the output reflection coefficient. This can be written as Z out minus Z naught divided by Z out plus Z naught. So substituting Z out, this can be written as D plus B by Z naught divided by C plus A by Z naught minus Z naught divided by D plus B by Z naught divided by C plus A by Z naught plus Z naught. So this can be written as, the final expression will be D plus B by Z naught minus C Z naught plus A minus A divided by D plus A plus D plus B by Z naught plus C Z naught. So if you interchange the or write it in proper manner, this can be written as minus A plus by naught plus D minus C Z naught divided by delta. So this will be the final expression. So now the parameter that is remaining to be found out is, which has to be found out is S12. So S12 can be written as V1 minus divided by V2 plus when V1 plus is equal to 0. The same equation can be written as V1 by V2 into 1 plus S22. This is similar to how S21 was written. So here also we'll be getting it as V2 minus divided by V2 plus. So it can be written as S22. So now here V1 is given as A V2 minus B into V2 by Z out, and we have the expression Z out is equal to V2 by I2 equal to D plus B by Z naught divided by C plus A by Z naught. So we can write S12 is equal to V2 into, that is substituting for V1, we can write this as V2 into A minus B by Z out divided by V2 into 1 plus S22. So instead of V1, substituted this equation into this, divided by V2 into 1 plus S22. So now substitute Z out into the equation. So this can be V2 will get cancelled. So this will become A minus B, substituting for Z out. So taking the denominator to upper part. So C plus A by Z naught divided by D plus B by Z naught into 1 plus S22. Substitute the equation for S22, which is given by minus A plus B Y naught minus C Z naught plus D divided by A plus B Y naught plus C Z naught plus D. So solving this equation, that is taking D plus B into Z naught to this side, this equation will become as AD plus AB by Z naught minus BC minus AB by Z naught into what is remaining will be 2B Y naught plus 2D by delta. So here the terms will get cancelled. So what is remaining will be, so here divided by D plus B by Z naught. So d plus b by z naught, this is equivalent to by naught, or b by z naught can be written as by naught. So this term will get cancelled with this term, will get cancelled with this term. AB by z naught and AB by z naught will get cancelled. So what is remaining will be 2 times AD minus BC by delta. So this will be the final expression. So we can summarize all the equations. That is, S11 is equal to A plus B y naught minus C z naught minus D by delta. S12 is equal to 2 into AD minus BC by delta. S21 is equal to 2 by delta. S22 equal to gamma out is equal to minus A plus B y naught minus C z naught D by delta. And S11 can also be equivalent to gamma in, where delta is equal to A plus B y naught plus C z naught plus D.